Hello guys, how are you? Today our lesson will be on high frequency words. We are going to learn 8 new words, and this is lesson 18. So let's start with the first word for today. Okay, I have here O and U, and we know that O and U give me sound ow or O. So here it gave me sound ow. So let's read G and R, gr, ow, nd, ground, ground. Very good, ground. So what is the meaning of ground? Yeah, this is the ground. It means land. So here, this is the ground. So I can say the ground seems wet, or the ground seems dry. Or we can say that Tom fell to the ground. He fell to the ground. Or we can say also, we dug a hole in the ground. We dug a hole in the ground. So this is the ground. So again, O and U here gives me sound ow. So gr, ow, d, ground, ground. Okay, let's go to the next word. Okay, I have here E and R. And we know that E and R give me sound er. So let's read now. A, n, un, d, under, under. Okay, what is the opposite of under? Above, above. So under, yeah. The girl here is under the table. Very good. Or we can say that Sarah hid under the table. Or I found the ball under the table. Very good. So E and R give me sound under, under. Let's go to number 3. Okay, again here, as we said that E and R give me sound but I have 2 ways here also to say So I and R, U and R, and E and R give me sound Okay, so I and R, or E and R, or U and R give me sound So as we can see here, I have I and R. So it's So let's read st, first, first. Very good. Now, yeah, who's first? Who's first? Or I can say I'm the first. I'm the first. Or this is first grade. So we can say we are in the first grade. We are in the first grade. So again, I and R, E and R, U and R give me sound So first, first. Okay, let's go to number 4. Yeah, it's a long word. Let's make it into syllabus. I have here 2 words. So the first word ends here. So let's read. We took this one before. Some, some. Like come. Do you remember? Come and some. We took it before. Some. And here I have a magic E. It will push I and says I. So I'm, times, times. So let's blend. Sometimes, sometimes. So they are compound here. Compound word means that I have two words. I put them together. They give me one word and give me a meaning here. Sometimes. What does it mean sometimes? It means, yeah, just some of the time, not all the time. So I can say that I sometimes watch TV. I sometimes watch TV. That means just 50% of my time I'm watching TV and the other time I don't. But if I said always here, that means what? That I'm doing it a lot, all the time. I always watch TV. That means a lot. But if I'm saying here, sometimes it means that some of my time I'm watching TV and the other time I don't. And here I have never. That means never. I don't. I never watch TV. That means I don't do it. So, sometimes. I can say also, Adam sometimes wears a hat. That means that sometimes he wears a hat and the other times he doesn't like to wear hat. So, let's go to the next word. Okay, I have here double O, and double O give me sound oo. So food, food, food. Yeah, different kind of food. Food. So we can say we need some food, or we need more food. Or I can say there is no food left. There is no food left. Also I can say that because they are hungry, I gave them some food. I gave them some food. Okay, let's go to the next word. Okay, here if I'm trying here to read this word, I can't. So, if I don't have here the R, what can I say? What is this word without the R? You. Okay, with the R, your. And your here means that is belong to you. Something that is belong to you. Okay, so I can say this is your bag. So it means that this bag is for you. Or I can say raise your hand. Raise your hand. Also I can say, what can we say about this picture? Very good. Brush your teeth. Very good. If I'm talking about one, I'll say tooth. But if I'm talking about many, teeth. Very good. Brush your teeth. Excellent. So let's go to the last word. No, this is not the last word. Okay. Here I have T and H. And T and H give me two sounds. It can be th or the. Here it sounds the. And I have a magic E here. It will push the E and says E. So these. these, these. So these here, what the meaning of these? If I'm talking about one, I can say these. No. If I'm talking about one, I say this, this. But if I'm talking about many, I say these. Now, here I'm talking about something that is near, not far. They are near. That's why I'm using this and these, not that and those. So that and those for something, I'm talking about something that is far from me, far away. But if I'm talking about something that is near, I say for one, this, and for more than one, these. So here I say this is a duck. This is a duck. This is a duck. And here I can say this because they are more than one. So I say these are ducks. Because they are more than one, I can't say is, I say are. So these are ducks. Okay, and here is another example here. Because I'm talking about one, I say this. What is this? Yeah, monster. So this is a monster. This is a monster. But if I'm talking about more than one, I'll use these. These are monsters. These are monsters. Okay, the last word. Okay, I have here IGH. And I said before that IGH gives me sound. Who remember? IGH gave me sound I. So here the G and H is silent, and if they are together, IGH, I say I. So let's read R, I, T. Right, right. If I have here L and not R, it will be L, I, T. Light, light. So IGH give me sound I. One more time. IGH give me sound I. So R, I, T. Right, right. And what the meaning of right? Okay, if I'm talking about direction, I say go left or go right. Okay? Or I can say use your right hand. Use your right hand. Okay. Also, right means, correct. It means correct. Right. That's right. Or I can say, it's all right. It's all right. Okay. Also, right can mean directly. And you'll see this in the exercise in our practice book. But before we go and answer the exercise in our practice book, let's see here the examples from our book, our reading book for our new 8 words.